Hi everybody, welcome back to Jason's Morning Mojo. So today, I'm gonna talk about a subject along the lines of I know enough. How many times have you heard that? As a teacher, I can tell you in class, I hear this constantly. I know enough about this subject to get by. I know enough. Thinking to myself, I can think back, especially growing up, and say, I know what I'm talking about, right? You tell your parents, because as a teenager, you know everything, right? But ultimately, as we think about it, we've learned more and more as we've matured or gotten older. I always use this circle theory in my classroom, right? And this was taught by a mentor of mine, which was really effective. But ultimately, you draw a circle on a piece of paper. And then you draw a line in the middle of the circle and you shade half of it. And then what you do is you tell others or someone who tells you that, let's say that somebody knows half of everything there is to know about a subject. Would you say that they're smart or they know enough about it or know a lot? And most people say, yeah, I think they know a lot about that subject. And I would agree, half is a lot. But then I draw a dot in the center in the other half of that circle and say, what if what I have to teach you or tell you is on that side of the circle? And it gets quiet just like that. You see, the idea is that we need to embrace the fact that we can always be learning. That comes from my favorite Einstein quote of all time. And he said, the first fool I'll point to is the man or woman who tells me they have nothing else to learn about something. You see, that comes from a genius who used a small fraction of his brain, but on human nature, he's considered an absolute genius. What does that tell you? We always need to be open and available to learn. And even though we might be smart or know enough, we always need to have that room to learn more. So what I'm going to encourage all of you to do today is to leave yourself open, to learn more, to absorb more, be open to that knowledge. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. We hope to see you again soon.